Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the document created on the office.com website. And then you should go to the top of the screen below the search bar, tap on the insert button, that's the third option, and tap on the picture button, and here you can select from four options. You can insert picture from your device, from your files, from OneDrive. You can insert a picture from the stock images, or you can search on the web, so tap on the relevant one. And if you tap on stock images, you can search for a particular picture by tapping on the search bar, and then just type in the keyword that you are looking for, tap on it and tap on the insert button, and then you will be able to insert your picture to your document. If you drag the corners, you can also customize the size and place it within the document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.